the king man live. Man, I tell you, say a king man sing. You have to listen where the king man sing.
Tarique Barrett has been crowned Mr. World Jamaica 2024, the first person to hold this title in more than 25 years. And he joins us now to discuss his journey to the crown before he heads to Vietnam to represent Jamaica in the international Mr. World competition. Morning, Tariq, how are you?
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good?
Congratulations.
Yeah, man, thank you and respect.
You must be relieved that Neville and myself weren't in the competition.
Less stress, man.
Less stress, right? Well, let's talk about your journey, really. How did you become aware of the competition, and why did you choose to put yourself forward?
Yes, first, Jermaine Dwyer, I have to give him thanks. He's the one that introduced me to the competition. I had to give it some thought. First time hearing male pageant, so it's something to consider. So I saw it as an opportunity to gain something, and not just to represent myself, but my community, an inner city community. So that is why I entered the pageant.
Which community is this?
Mountain View, Backbush.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's how I grow you. That's how I grow you.
You spoke to participating in the competition as a means to essentially grow yourself.
Yes,
right?
sir.
You're a student at the University of the West Indies. You're doing what? Marketing and accounts?
Marketing and accounts.
Right. What have you learned and how have you grown having been a part of Mr. World Jamaica?
In terms of the...
Yep, just as a person. No, just as a person, personal development. What have you learned and how have you grown?
I would say confidence.
Yeah.
I've gained a lot of confidence entering this competition. I was more on the introverted side of things, but now the competition has put me in a place that I have to express myself.
Yeah.
Yep.
And
you said earlier that you had to give it some thought. What were the thoughts? What were you thinking when you said, I never should have entered or enter? What made you decide, I'm going to deal with this? But what were you thinking about?
yeah, so in that short space of time, I was thinking, wonder if this thing is meant for me, knowing that it's the first time. So giving it some thought, I just said to myself that, I can't lose, really. We just have to give it that chance.
Yeah. What was the toughest part of all of this, from start to finish? What was the toughest part of the journey, as Garth said?
I have to say that I had to leave my job because they couldn't accommodate me being in this competition.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So I had to make a rough and tough decision to go out there and do something. I ride a bike, so when leaving the work, I said I can do some delivery work. So I use that as a means to, cover bills and expenses.
Not asking you the company, but what did they say why they wouldn't accommodate it?
I mean, it's a small enterprise, knowing that so it was me and an ex-employee. Okay. So,
I kind of couldn't do without you type of thing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So I understand the decision that they made, but it was something that it was meant for me. So I had to make the decision.
Are you going to go back to that place now that you have more time to do some work for them?
Yeah. No. So, it's a new journey.
So they're now a part of your history.
Yeah.
Now, how did your family respond? How did your community respond to the decision to participate in this competition? I mean, I know them must happy now.
Yeah, man.
But have they always been like super supportive and say, yo, Tariq, yeah, man, we're supportive on this?
Well, the close circle, like my friends and family, they've always been there for me. They've been proud. Yeah, man. But since winning the community, trust me, the joy I get from that, expression of the community for me, yeah, man, it's lovely, man.
Good stuff. You're heading to Vietnam in November for the Mr. World competition.
Yes,
you've got that black, green, and gold flag waving super high.
Yeah.
What are the messages that you are taking to the world about Jamaica, and how are you going to, prepare yourself for representation?
I mean, it's our first time in over 25 years. So I just want to make that stance that Jamaica, as a small island, can do big on this platform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what is expected of you? Is it the same kind of competition?
Outline, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I trust in the management team to get me prepared for the entire team.
So you have to do the extreme fitness, something.
My thing, that, man.
Your thing, that?
Yeah, man.
You love that?
Yeah, man. My strategy is that or my aim is that I want to win at least 3 of the fast track events, to put me in the top 10.
Fast track events would be
The talent,
Yeah.
extreme, and, I think swimwear or a model, top model or something like that.
you won the extreme and you won the swimwear also
swimwear.
locally.
Yeah.
But you know, so this man is a very fit man, no, never?
Well, I don't know.
No, well,
but
I'm
Yeah,
telling
fun
you.
fact, Neville.
Yeah, because you used to run from school to home.
Yeah,
What's the distance? Which schools we're talking about?
Jamaica College.
Work is burning in the field.
I was
So
a
you run.
2019 Manning Cup winner.
Hush.
Yes,
Sometimes George is I feel like the trophy.
No, him draw with me that year. So. Him never beat me that year. But him draw with me in the quarterfinal.
yeah.
That's amazing. I mean, what's next for you, though? Because obviously, November in Vietnam is what's immediately next. But for the year that you will be Mr. Jamaica, right, what can we expect from you?
I will be making appearances in a lot of events. So, just expect me in these events.
You're tired to see your face.
Yeah, man, I got tired to see you.
The man from Backbush. Oh,
Yeah,
my
man.
goodness.
Congrats, Brethren.
Yeah,
And
man.
good luck as you move on. With our work for you.
Yeah.
With our work for you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Blessings. Mr. World Jamaica 2024, Tarique Barrett. Second edition of News in 5 comes up now. Stay with us, please.
Say a king man thing. Yeah, I believe.